Welcome to Kwan's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Yeongeun Jorim, which is braised lotus root. Let's get started. Before I start, I want to give a shout out to Man Red who requested this episode. This one is for you. To get started, we need 1 lotus root. Wash it well and peel it. My lotus root was about 1 kilogram. Cut off the ends and cut your lotus root into 1 centimeter thick slices. When someone requested that I make a Korean vegan dish, I wasn't sure what to make. But since lotus root is in season in autumn and is one of my favorite foods, I decided to make this dish, Yeongeun Jorim. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. If you can't find rice vinegar, you can also soak your roots in cold water before boiling. When the water is boiling rapidly, add your lotus root slices. Boiling with vinegar will neutralize the bitter flavor of the lotus root. After boiling the lotus root for about 3 minutes, rinse with cold water, drain, and put to the side. I didn't like vegetables when I was a kid, so I never wanted to eat them. But I asked my mom to make this dish a lot because I love it so much even as a kid. It's healthy, sweet, and savory, perfect for everyone in the family. Heat up a large skillet on medium-high and add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Yeongeun means lotus root and Jorim means braised. So Yeongeun Jorim means braised lotus root. Dump in your lotus root and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Koreans use every part of the lotus plant. They use the seeds in their rice, leaves for tea and alcohol, flowers for decoration, and roots for banchan. Then place the lotus root back in the pot. Add 100 grams of water, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, and mix well. If you're not vegan, you can add honey instead of corn syrup. You could probably add agave or any sweetener you have actually. When you eat Korean food, make sure to ask whether it's vegan or not. In most soup and vegetable dishes, Koreans put a little bit of baby shrimp or anchovies for flavor. Cover the pot and lower the heat to medium-low. Simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix the pot to cook the lotus root evenly. Cover and wait another 10 minutes. Lotus root contains a lot of vitamin C, so it's good for your immune system and skin. It's perfect for boosting your health in the winter. A long time ago, people used lotus root in medicine. It promotes hematosis, so if you get nosebleeds a lot, try to make this dish. Maybe it will help you. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and mix well. When buying lotus root, make sure to get a heavy one with the least amount of scratches. That's how you know you've found a tasty one. We're going to cook it until the lotus roots have absorbed all of the sauce. When the sauce is fully absorbed, give it a taste. It was good, but I wanted a little bit sweeter, so I add 1 more tablespoon of corn syrup and mixing. You can find canned lotus root at Korean grocery stores, but at home, you can make it to your preference. When the sauce on the lotus roots has begun to caramelize and thicken, you're done. You can keep your Yeongeun Jorim in the fridge for up to a week. Now to prepare our vegan Korean meal. I'm combining this side dish with the banchan and soup from my other episode to create a complete vegan meal. You can check out the other recipes from this meal in the description down below. Place your lotus root, 콩나물 무침, and 시금치 나물 on a side dish plate. Then top them up with the toasted sesame seeds. All of these dishes can be meal prep for easy meals for the rest of the week. Now pour a bowl of 콩나물국, get a big bowl of white rice, and a mochi for dessert. That's it. Our vegan dish is all ready to eat. Let's start. Lotus root is salty, sweet, and crunchy. And adding a little bit of sesame oil make it a little bit savory and it tastes really good. So you should definitely try. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. And I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!